have new faces today, and I'm very happy that these people who with me since the first time that the club was being created still with me.
It's really great to actually see all of these new faces and new people who join the RAM community here at PSB. It gives us this motivation, this drive to actually pursue our passion and our dream to instill the 3 core values of robotics in the school, which are inspiration, imagination, and innovation.
The very first robotic thing that we did is usually it's made of cardboard. We need to let our students experience robotics rather than just telling them everything, the concept.
Now with around 35 to 41 new members this year, we have decided to divide our group, to divide our club into 2 categories, and that is RAM Robotics, which talks about the robotics section of the entire club, and RAM Gaming. It's actually a sub-club which is inside the main group of RAM Robotics, which focuses more on game development and game design using Coding Game Lab, and if possible, Minecraft. As we all know, Minecraft is actually one of the most famous video games of all time.
Inspiration to approve is to have Minecraft in our
What I'm expecting this school year, that this school year will be very productive. Nakikita ko kasi sa mga initiatives ninyo, nakikita ko kasi sa mga pagmumukha ninyo, that eventually, you are also aiming for what will be the best thing that will happen in the robotics club. And God will help us. And I know that before the end of the school year, there will be something that we can put into that PSB can say that this would be one of the best clubs that ever existed in PSB. God bless robotics.